Yeast is familiar to everyone. Steamed buns and making cakes are indispensable from it. How can its small body burst out with so much energy? Let's walk into the wonderful micro world together. Look what happened to alcohol. Pour a small amount of dry yeast first. Add a small amount of warm water. To speed up the fermentation process, add some white sugar that yeast loves most. Mix well. Leave for 20 minutes. It's growing like crazy. Take a drop and put it on the pick and start observing. These densely packed little spheres are yeast. Yeast is a single-celled microorganism. It's a fungus. It's a lot bigger than a bacterium. Usually between 6 to 15 microns. It reproduces on the energy of sugar. The starch in the flour is just right to provide it with sugar. It produces alcohol and carbon dioxide. In the process of breaking down sugar, this will cause a lot of bubbles to appear in the bread and steamed buns. It becomes fluffy. Zoom in for 100 times and you can see its cellular structure. There's a yeast that's just finished dividing. Yeast produces high levels of purine during rapid metabolism. Patients with hyperuricemia or gout should try to eat less yeast-fermented steamed buns and bread. There are some fake yeasts on the market now. Sometimes, the steamed buns are unsuccessful. It may be that you bought fake yeast. Today's journey of exploration of the microscopic world ends here. If you are interested in microvision, you can follow me. Leave a message in the comment area. Let's explore the mysteries of the microscopic world together.